Grandma. Don't make sure Grandma doesn't think you snack bites, okay? It's Camellia.
Very nice.
We always end up carrying this thing. I think he should be back in the Halloween box. He's got to carry a bunny. Oh, look at when I see a big bird one on the wall. Somebody made big bird. That's what there's the Peeps on the wall. Pokemon.
Oh, I thought it was
No, it's a Pokemon. I can see where they send you with flowers, hearts and days. I think they put shells on the bottom. What do you think? That's cool. That's an old city. That's an old city. What's up here? That's the Savannah Bananas. This now. Cute. This is so good. This is I want it. Easter things, like Stranger Things. We should make one next year. Just a minute. Put one in the competition. We could win. We're creative. Let's see if I can get that. Fashion show on a runway.
Look at the Harry Potter one.
Oh,
It's cute, the farm one. Platform 9 3/4.
I knew it, my Peeps. Oh, that's Chopped.
Oh, so cute.
Like Chopped,
Oh,
the show,
yeah.
TV show.
Oh, you found Pokemon?
What's this one, Mom?
Peep with that. Oh, that's funny.
Oh, really? Peeps in the Caribbean.
With that.
Pokemon though. Pokemon though.
That's cute, the Chick-fil-A.
Oh no, they're in jail. They got in trouble.
Lana?
You missed the ones on the table. Did you see these? Where? Did you see the big ones on the table? The parrot? This one. Eating tower.
Look at the eagles. Oh, look at the Hawaiian one. He's so cute.
No peace. I'm a big frogger. He's cute.
I like that one.
Here's another dress. I know, rubber ducky, that's cute. Yeah, this one's really good. That's it.
Hey, Sally, because we're gonna get out of here. I'm sorry.
If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Consider becoming a member for more benefits. You can also show support by buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.